Hello everybody, Rob Ford here reporting for MSN, Math Sports Network. Thank you for joining us today for one of the largest showdowns in algebraic history since the Great Equation of 1941. Today's competition presents a heavyweight matchup of two of the best mathletes this side of the Mississippi. Let's head down ringside for our contestant introductions. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2014 Math Championship of the World. In this corner, weighing 307 pounds, standing a cool 3'7", the beast from the east, Camren DeCaire. DeCaire has the green pencil in his hand today and looks like he's ready to fight. All right. In the opposite corner, weighing in at 299 pounds, he's lean, he's sweet and sour. Rhett the McDonald. All right, fellas, let's have a fair contest this evening. All right, let's review the rules of tonight's contest. Today we'll be working with quadratic equations and the quadratic formula to solve them. Here, I have the quadratic formula. It is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that's all over 2a. Now the quadratic formula is used to solve quadratic equations in the standard form as pictured here. Here we have negative x squared plus 4x plus 7, and you take the a, b, and c out of the standard form quadratic equation and plug it into the quadratic equation to solve it. And now this was discovered in 628 AD by Brahmagupta, an Indian mathematician. Let's see if our contestants tonight can use it to solve their problems and win the contest. Alright, let's head down ringside. I think we're ready to begin the competition. Alright, let's head down there. Alright, the contestants have taken their seats at the mathematician tables. We have Rhett McDonald on the right side, the Lat Bill, and on the left side we have Camren DeCaire, the beast from the east. Here we go, we're going down to the floor to get our problem for tonight. From our Algebra 2 book here, we have x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Let's see if the contestants will be able to solve this one tonight. And it's going to be a fight to the death. Alright, contestants, are you ready? It looks like they're ready. Rhett's ready. Alright, here we go. And ready, begin! And they're off. And they're writing. They're scribbling. Let's go down to Rhett the Lat Bill McDonald on the floor in this corner.
What's a negative times a negative?
And it looks like Rhett has messed up the quadratic equation right off the bat. As you can see up top there, he has a positive b instead of a negative b, and he's mistaken a negative 2 for what should be a positive 2. And he's holding this calculator upside down. He has no clue what he's doing, folks. He's doing a terrible job. And we look over here to DeCaire. Wow, look at that execution. He has plugged in all the numbers correctly in the quadratic formula, and he looks like he's doing a great job. Almost done with the problem. Back over to Rhett, who's just having a terrible time. Hasn't written anything since last time. He just messed the quadratic formula right up. It doesn't take much. All you gotta do is plug it in. Back to DeCaire. He's writing his answer. He's writing an answer. Negative 2 and negative 6. I think we have an answer. Let's look down to the floor. Our big board for our answer. Negative 2 and negative 6. Back to DeCaire's answer. I think we have a winner. Let's look back at Rhett. And now to our instant replay. He has no clue what he's doing. To our instant replay. And here's DeCaire with our instant replay. And wow, what a magnificent effort by DeCaire. Such speed, plugs in all the numbers correctly into the quadratic formula, solves the two x values, and wow, look at that. That's a correct answer there, folks. As we look back down to the floor, we have x equals negative 2, negative 6. And DeCaire, Camren DeCaire, our champion. And Rhett's not happy. And down goes DeCaire. Down goes DeCaire. All right, here's our champion tonight, Camren DeCaire. He's the winner tonight. Quadratic formula. All right, one of our contestants here, Camren DeCaire. I'm Trevor Roznowski. I played Rob Ford, our announcer.
I'm Rhett McDonald.
Quadratic formula is good. I'll be your referee anytime you need. Use the quadratic formula to solve all your quadratic equations.